Hi, how are you? This is Jim from LEDER, LEDER. We are the LED manufacturer, and today me and our business manager, Kimmy, we like to show you the step-by-step of the installation of the power cable and data cable. So what you see right now, we have our main power cable, and this is our main signal cable. And we have additional power cable from cabinet to cabinet, also additional signal cables from cabinet to cabinet. So first thing you do is you connect the main power cable. And on the back of the cabinet, it has a section where it says power in, power out, signal in, and signal out. So for the main cable, you connect to the power in. And then next, you connect your main signal cable. That's you're going to be connect with PC or laptop. So you connect this into the signal in. Now next one, you could either starting with the signal cable or data cable. It doesn't matter. So right now we're just starting with the signal cable. Now signal cable, you connect the first one to the signal out, and to the next signal in. So pretty much you just following by this frequency.
And
in
right now,
and out. So right here will be out. And in. And signal out.
And signal in.
Signal in. Signal here. So will be out. And in.
And signal out. And signal in.
Signal in.
So right now we just use the 6 panel. So if you put the more panel, just follow the step by step.
Yes. Now this is the power cable from cabinet to cabinet. So the first one will go into the power out.
Power out.
And to the next, power in. And power out. To the next, power in. Out.
And power in. Here. And the power out, and this side, power in. And the power out, and power in.
So today, like Kimmy said, we just use the 6 panels. If you have more cabinets or more panels, you just have to follow this kind of sequence.
Yeah.
This first panels will be your main panel. Okay, so you always have to start at the first one, the first main one. Okay. So this is it for today. Just show you how to hook up the power cable and data cable. If you have any LED project and you need a quotation, please give us a call at 909-393-8830. Thank you.
Thank you.